Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. Let's start with natural gas. This is natural gas and this is the weekly chart on natural gas. On the weekly, what we can see is that we have a double top pattern, and this weekly candle here is very scary for the longs, for the bulls. And even though the following week, last week, we had a green candle. I'm not sure if this downward movement has ended. We might get down to at least to the 20 EMA on the weekly, which is at around 7.04. Yeah, double top pattern on the weekly. So this is weekly. It may take weeks, but yeah, the downward movement has started. Now let's go over to the daily chart to see uh, if we can see things more clearly. So this is the daily chart on natural gas, and on the daily chart what we can see is we have a scary daily candle here, suggested that we will have downwards movement, and this is exactly what we did. Of course, in such a case we can expect the 20-day EMA at least to be hit, and this is exactly what happened. We came down to the 20-day EMA, which is the light blue line here, bounced back up, and then started our way to the downside again. So yeah, could this be a bottoming pattern? A trend reversal, that we can continue our way back up. Well, if we come above the daily candle, above this previous daily candle's high 8.2, and can stay there, we might continue this way to the upside on the daily. Yeah, let's see if this is a bottoming pattern here or no. Now let's go over to oil, and let's see what's happening with WTI. So this is the daily chart on oil, WTI, and I think this was the neckline, but we will look at the weekly chart around 94, 93 level. And on the daily, what I saw was this M pattern here, and out of this M pattern my price target was 88, and we hit 88. So what's going to happen next? Clearly this is a downward trend with lower lows and lower highs, so WTI oil is still in a downtrend. On the weekly chart, for weeks now I've been talking about this big M pattern, which was scary for the bulls, and out of this M pattern my target is 75, and of course if we hit 75 we can come down even to 66.4. Yeah, it's very likely that we will go down to this area somewhere, but my price target is 75. That's all for now.